Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious peanut butter laddu. First, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of raw peanuts and 1 cup of jaggery, which can be grated or powdered. For an extra touch of aroma, consider adding 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. These few items are all you need to create a delightful and healthy treat. Next, let's prepare the peanuts. Place 2 cups of raw peanuts in a dry pan over medium heat. Roast them, stirring occasionally until they become crunchy and fragrant. Once roasted, transfer them to a plate and let them cool completely. This cooling step is crucial. After they've cooled, gently rub the peanuts between your hands to remove their skins. Now it's time to combine our main ingredients. Add the roasted and peeled peanuts to a grinder. Pulse them in short bursts until they are coarsely ground, being careful not to overprocess them into peanut butter. Then, add the 1 cup of jaggery to the grinder and pulse again until everything is well combined. The mixture should be uniform and slightly oily, not a fine powder. Finally, let's shape our laddus. Take small portions of the mixture, about 1.5 inches in diameter, and press them firmly between your palms to form neat, round balls. The natural oils from the peanuts and the jaggery will help them bind perfectly. Once shaped, store your delicious peanut butter laddus in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will stay fresh for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.